Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And today is 12th of March and it's already almost 7 o'clock right now. तो आज मुझे मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है. I was just reading my book and just sleeping all day. तो मुझे ऐसे बहुत lazy feel हो रहा है आजकल. I don't know why. Maybe it's the weather. क्योंकि शिकागो आई डोंट नो लाइक व्हेन आई वाज इन इंडिया तो मुझे विंटर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते थे एंड देन जब मैं यहाँ पे आ गई अब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लूमी और ऐसे लेजी फील होता है विंटर्स में. लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू स्लीप एंड डू नथिंग. लेट मी नो इफ यू आल्सो फील द सेम वे. सो लास्ट वीक आई वाज इन कैलिफोर्निया एंड लास्ट वीक आई हैड माई बर्थडे टू. सो दैट वाज फन एंड वहाँ मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. वहाँ पे लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा लाइवली है सब कुछ. यहाँ पे भी है बट यहाँ पे मे बी द विंटर्स दे मेक इट ग्लूमी, दे मेक एवरीथिंग ग्लूमी एंड नहीं मज़ा आता है. प्लस यहाँ पे वेन एवर यू हैव टू गो आउट यू हैव टू पुट ऑन लाइक 3 जैकेट्स. आई मीन मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है सो आई हैव टू डू दैट. बट वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा था, ऐसे समरी हल्की हवाएं चल रही थी एंड बहुत अच्छा सा मौसम था, बहुत ड्रीमी सा. यहाँ पे तो आई डोंट नो, अभी मिड मार्च है एंड आई थिंक मे बी जून तक, नो मे बी मई लास्ट तक थोड़ा समर आना शुरू होगा बट मोस्टली इन जून एंड जुलाई वैसा वाला वेदर होगा. तो दैट्स दैट, इनफ ऑफ माई बैक स्टोरी. सो लेट्स कम बैक टू टुडे. तो आज कल मेरे एक फ्रेंड के फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है. सो शी हैज़ इनवाइटेड मी ओवर टू हर हाउस एंड मुझे वहाँ जाना है. प्लस सिंस आई जस्ट केम बैक तो आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रोसरीज, तो मुझे वो सब भी लेने जाना है. तो लेट्स सी हम दोनों चीज़ें कैसे मैनेज करते हैं. एंड मैंने ऑलमोस्ट पूरा दिन ऑलरेडी वेस्ट ही कर दिया है. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. एंड मैंने अभी तक अनपैकिंग भी नहीं की है. आई स्टिल हैव टू डू माई लॉन्ड्री. सो आई थिंक अभी मुझे ये मौसम को छोड़ के आई नीड टू गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग. आई जस्ट took a shower and let's do my skincare together. A little backstory: this is not the Plum face mist, although the bottle does say so. ये I got this from India जब मैं यहाँ पे आ रही थी and ये इतना awesome था and ये ख़त्म हो गया but Plum यहाँ पे नहीं है. तो so I got this Elf Skin Holy Hydration Keep Your Balance Toner. And the worst part about this is ये toner बहुत अच्छा है but I don't like the applicator. Like you have to take that cotton pad, apply it and then put it on your face, but I don't like that. So what I did was मैंने उसको इस Plum वाली bottle में transfer कर दिया because look at this spray. इतना awesome है, इतना finely like ऐसे toner निकलता है and I don't know, I just love this bottle. तो मैंने इसमें ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया. सो दिस इज़ द बैक स्टोरी. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद माई स्किन केयर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ दिस ब्यूटी ऑफ जॉनसन रिवाइव सीरम. इसमें वी हैव जिनसेंग एंड स्नेल म्यूजिन. तो दिस जिनसेंग ये के प्रोडक्ट्स में के ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो रहा है अभी. आई हैव दिस वन टू, Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence from Cosrx. So this is one of my favorite products. I think this is my 3rd bottle or something. And ये भी almost ख़त्म हो गया है. So you can see कि how effective it has been for me. And when I saw this serum, it had snail mucin and this additional product ginseng. But ginseng के बारे में I've heard a lot of good things. So I was like, let me try. Like you can see from how much I've used it already. So let's apply this. Sometimes what I do is I also apply the snail mucin on top of the serum. I don't know why, मुझे बहुत अच्छा ऐसा ग्लोई सा वो देता है मोस्टली व्हेन आई डू मेकअप. बट आई डोंट वांट टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप टुडे सो आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग दैट. नेक्स्ट आई नीड अ मॉइस्चराइजर, अगेन द सेम रेंज फ्रॉम एल्फ. This is their Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid, jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E. And this has to be my, like, I don't know, 5th or 6th tube of this particular moisturizer. And one more backstory. So when I was in India, I used to have oily skin. I think maybe the weather, it was the Delhi weather which was making my skin like really oily. But ever since I've moved to the States, my skin is just so dry. It's like it's constantly dry. तो जब मैंने अपना वो डेली वाला मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ किया तो my skin became so flaky and it started breaking out, and that's when I realized कि नहीं, मुझे dry skin वाला moisturizer चाहिए because मेरी skin change हो गई है, maybe obviously weather की वजह से. So that's when I tried this and I found it, and ये like ऐसा एक you know layer create कर देता है on top of your skin. I'll show you. So I just take like 2 to 3 pumps and I rub it in. So you can see this glow, glass skin effect. This is what the moisturizer gives me. And then after this I'll wait for a few seconds and then apply my sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen. I used to never apply sunscreen back in India, and so my best friend, she does a lot of these skincare things, and मैंने उससे पूछा कि like मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं करती हूँ, but what is that one product that I should use? And she said sunscreen. So I took her advice and I got me this Daily Relief sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon. So this is how it looks like. मैंने almost काफ़ी ज़्यादा use कर लिया है. This is my favorite sunscreen. I even got this very fancy Caudalie. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it right. It has SPF 50. It's very expensive and it has this very watery consistency, but I hope you can hear the sound. It's that liquidy. I like this one more, so I've been using this. Maybe जब ये ख़त्म हो जाएगी तब I'll use that more. या maybe मैंने उसको इतना ज़्यादा use ही नहीं किया है कि मुझे समझ आए कि if it's good or not good. तो अभी के लिए I'll apply this one. So I'm going in with my sunscreen. So all the beauty gurus and experts, they tell you to apply like 3 fingers. To apply it on 3 fingers, and that's how you know you're applying the right amount of sunscreen. So I've done this, tuk, and don't forget your neck. So off we go. You might feel कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा apply कर लिया है आपने, but it just disappears into the skin. It dissolves. Yeah, dissolves is the right word. As you can see, it gives you even more glossy, but healthy looking skin, and it is also protecting your skin from all those harmful sun rays. Now I need my lip balm. This is the lip balm that I love. This is the Laneige Glowy Balm in the vanilla variant, and I know ये सबका favorite है, and you all know why. And we are ready. Now my skincare is done. It's already 7:36. Say hi to Jojo. Yep, there you go. He's the reason why I started this channel in the first place. So I'm going to Julasco right now. That's the grocery store. This India में we have DMart and all. So Julasco is the grocery store here. And I mean और भी हैं बहुत सारे. But that's the one that I like क्योंकि वो 12 बजे तक खुला होता है. And जब भी मुझे जाना होता है मैं mostly late हो रही होती हूँ. So yeah, let's go. I'll put on a jacket or something because it's very cold outside. Found a smaller cat. So let's go. This is where I am. And first stop is grapes, but I already have grapes at home. Lychee. This is the one that I'm taking. So I took one bread and now we are off to the milk section.
49, 250. 329, saving.
I know it looks messy, but this is everything that I got. Hi everyone, I just got back and I have so many things that I got. So I'll give you guys a quick haul and then I have to go for a birthday party, which I already told you about. So I have to get ready for that. So I'll be super quick. First I have these very beautiful lilies, white lilies, and they smell so good, like so good. Just look at these. And अभी like ये सारे खिले नहीं हैं, कुछ कुछ ऐसे buds भी हैं, तो ये later on खिल जाएंगे. And I'll also show you after I arrange them in my vase. So I'll show you how they look like. Next up, we have pineapple. I've seen this pineapple cucumber salad, which is going very viral on social media right now. So I was like, I really want to try that. That's why I got this. Okay, I'm back. मेरी light की battery खत्म हो गई, obviously. So yeah, I got this Nature's Charm sweetened condensed coconut milk. So this is basically a condensed milk, but it's not your regular whole milk condensed milk. They make it from coconut milk, which I saw for the very first time. So and also मुझे regular वाला मिला नहीं, and जो मुझे मिल रहा था वो ऐसे उसके अंदर ये नहीं था, and I don't know how to open the cans without this thing. So that's why मैंने ले लिया. Also looked good. I mean, मुझे मोस्टली मैं माचा में नहीं डालती हूँ, मैं माचा में हनी यूज़ करती हूँ, बट आई थॉट आई जस्ट ट्राई दिस. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड then I have some fruits, banana, apple, and then one small broccoli because I like a lot of salads. I'll use this. Then I have cucumber for obviously the pineapple cucumber salad. Next I have bread because I eat a lot of bread. Then I have this thing, and this is the receipt. I have this brookie. I don't know, looks like a brownie thingy. This is how it looks like. And कल रात को मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट क्रेविंग हो रही थी, और मैं नॉर्मली ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं रखती हूँ अपने पास बिकॉज अदरवाइज मैं उनको खाती रहती हूँ रात भर, एंड फिर मुझे नींद नहीं आती. बट मैं ले आई बिकॉज आई थॉट मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा खाऊंगी. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस banana mini muffins. So I'm going to my friend's house, so I thought I'll take these for her, and that's why I got these. So yep, that's all. My table is a mess right now. मैंने unpacking नहीं किया, so my entire room is kind of a mess right now. But I'm super excited for the birthday party and for all the good things जो मैं बनाऊंगी इन सब से. So alright then, arrange these and then I'll see you. So I didn't record much at the birthday party. I was just having fun and I came back, and right now I'm just painting my nails and talking to my best friend. Alright then, guys, this was a fun vlog. It was a fun day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye.